Have you ever wondered what gives that iconic green-capped bottle of Sriracha its fiery kick? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating process of how this world-famous chili sauce is made, from the farm right to your table. It's a journey of spice, science, and a whole lot of red Galapagos. The story of Sriracha begins not in a factory, but in the sun-drenched fields of California, Mexico, and New Mexico. We Fong Foods, the company behind the rooster sauce, has a very specific requirement. They only use fresh red jalapeno peppers. These aren't your typical green Galapagos. They're left on the vine to fully ripen, which gives them that signature vibrant red color, and a more developed, slightly sweeter flavor profile to balance the heat. The harvest season is incredibly intense, lasting only about 10 weeks. During this short window, truckloads of peppers, we're talking thousands of tons, are harvested and shipped to the factory immediately. The key here is freshness. The peppers must be processed within hours of being picked to capture their peak flavor and heat. Any delay could mean a less potent, less flavorful sauce. As soon as the trucks arrive at the massive We Fong Foods facility in Irwindale, California, the process kicks into high gear. The first step is a thorough wash. The peppers are unloaded onto conveyor belts and tumbled through a powerful washing system to remove any dirt, leaves, or field debris. It's like a giant, spicy water park for Galapagos. After their bath, the peppers are ready for the main event, grinding. They are fed into enormous grinders, stems and all. This is a crucial detail. Including the stems adds to the sauce's unique flavor complexity. These industrial-grade grinders make quick work of the peppers, turning them into a fiery bright red mash. You can just imagine the intense, spicy aroma that fills the air in this part of the factory. During grinding season, the surrounding neighborhood can even smell it. Now, this mash is the heart and soul of Sriracha. To preserve it for year-round production, it's mixed with just a few key ingredients, salt, and some preservatives. This mixture is then pumped into massive blue storage barrels. We're talking about thousands of these barrels, each holding about 55 gallons of chili mash. This is how We Fong ensures they have a steady supply of their primary ingredient long after the short harvest season has ended. The mash ferments slightly in these barrels, which further develops the depth of flavor. When it's time to make a new batch of sauce, the preserved chili mash is retrieved from the barrels, is then moved to huge mixing tanks. This is where the magic recipe comes together. The exact proportions are a closely guarded secret, but the ingredients are surprisingly simple and listed right on the bottle: chili, sugar, salt, garlic, and distilled vinegar. In these giant tanks, the chili mash is combined with a special garlic puree and a precise amount of vinegar and sugar. The garlic adds that savory pungent depth, while the vinegar provides the tangy acidity that cuts through the heat. The sugar is essential for balancing all the flavors, creating that addictive sweet, savory, and spicy combination that Sriracha is famous for. Everything is mixed thoroughly until the consistency is perfectly smooth. Once the sauce is perfectly blended, it undergoes a pasteurization process. This involves heating the sauce to a specific temperature to ensure it is safe for consumption and will have a long shelf life, all without the need for artificial colors or flavors. Is a critical step for quality control. After pasteurization, the sauce is ready to be bottled. But not just any bottle. The iconic Sriracha bottle with its green cap and white rooster logo is instantly recognizable worldwide. An automated, high-speed bottling line takes over. Empty, clear plastic bottles are sterilized and lined up. They move along a conveyor belt where precision nozzles fill each one with the exact same amount of fiery red sauce. It's a hypnotic sight, watching thousands of bottles being filled in perfect unison. Immediately after filling, the bottles are capped. The famous green nozzle caps are screwed on tightly by machine to create an airtight seal, locking in the freshness and flavor. Then, the bottles get their iconic branding. A labeling machine wraps each bottle with a familiar label, featuring the rooster and text in multiple languages. But it doesn't end there. Quality control is paramount throughout the entire process. Samples are taken at various stages, from the raw peppers to the finished sauce, and tested for heat level, pH, viscosity, and flavor. This ensures that every single bottle of Sriracha maintains the consistent taste and quality that fans expect. If a batch doesn't meet the strict standards, it simply doesn't get shipped. Finally, the finished, labeled, and capped bottles are packed into cardboard boxes by automated machinery. The boxes are stacked onto pallets, ready to be shipped out to distributors, supermarkets, and restaurants all over the globe. From that factory in California, this humble hot sauce travels to countless countries, ending up in kitchens and on tables, ready to add a kick to noodles, eggs, pizza, or just about anything you can imagine. So the next time you grab that rooster sauce, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken. From a carefully grown red jalapeno pepper, harvested at its peak, ground and mixed with simple, quality ingredients, and bottled with precision. It is a testament to a simple recipe and a highly efficient process that has turned a cult favorite into a global phenomenon. What do you love to put Sriracha on? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this look behind the scenes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. See you in the next one.